You don't hate reading. Your brain just gets addicted to faster rewards.
Your attention is being trained. Every swipe teaches your brain to expect instant stimulation.
Scrolling gives you novelty every second. Books reward you slowly, so your brain ignores them. It's dopamine, your brain's feel-good chemical fuel, and TikTok fires it non-stop.
Your brain is overstimulated. Before reading feels good again, you need to quiet the noise.
Spend 10 minutes a day without stimulation. No phone, no music, no scrolling.
It will feel uncomfortable. That's withdrawal. Your baseline is recalibrating.
After a few days, simple things start to feel rewarding again, including reading.
Never start with an hour. Start with 2 pages. Small wins trigger dopamine.
Once you start, momentum takes over. Your brain hates stopping mid-progress.
Check off each tiny win. Completion releases small bursts of dopamine. Your brain isn't addicted to studying. It's addicted to winning. Give it wins.
Use colors, diagrams, gestures. The more senses you activate, the more dopamine you release. Teach what you learn. Teaching activates deeper processing and stronger dopamine rewards. Reading, speaking, and writing together multiply how sticky the information becomes. You don't avoid reading because it's hard. You avoid it because starting is hard.
Make reading the easiest thing to do. Keep your book open on the desk. Put your phone in another room. Distance kills distraction. If studying is the lowest friction action, you'll do it automatically.
Now let's fix the deepest layer, your identity.
Your habits follow your identity. Become the type of person who studies. Stop calling yourself lazy. Your brain simply adapted to fast rewards. Use new language. Say, I am a reader. I'm someone who studies.
Your brain hates breaking identity. If you believe you're a reader, you act like one.
Reinforce the new identity with tiny proof. 1 page is enough.
Your brain craves community, so make studying social.
Join a study live stream. Seeing others focus pulls you into focus too.
Study with a friend. Accountability increases follow-through by nearly 40%.
Join a reading challenge. Public commitment creates pressure, and your brain listens to.
Each time you share progress, you get social dopamine, and studying becomes enjoyable. Now let's upgrade your system with advanced tactics. Anchor studying to your future. Who do you become if you master this habit?
Remove cues that trigger scrolling dock. Notifications, sounds, visual clutter. Your environment should whisper one instruction: read. Reward yourself after reading. Even tiny rewards build habit loops. Study when your energy is highest, not when you're exhausted. Every session reinforces your identity. Readers read because it's who they are.
Here's your simple 3-step roadmap.
1. Reset dopamine. 2. 2 pages. 3. Teach it.
That's all you need to become addicted to studying.
If this helped you understand your brain better, keep going.
Hit subscribe. I break down human psychology in a way anyone can use.
Comment below. What book will you start with today?
Remember, you're not trying to be perfect. You're trying to be consistent.
Your brain can relearn focus faster than you think. Once reading feels rewarding, momentum does the heavy lifting. Give your brain rewards, and it will crave the habit. Stack small wins every day fine. Never skip twice. Believe it first. The habit will follow. Thanks for watching, Nag. I'm here to help you level up my mind.
Don't wait for motivation. Start with your 2 pages today.
Your future self will thank you for every page you read.
You're capable of more focus than you've ever shown.
Books aren't slow. Your life is just too fast. Fix your dopamine, and reading becomes addictive.
Reset. Read. Teach. Repeat.
Take the first step, and your brain will follow. Subscribe for weekly psychology you can actually use.
Hey! Thanks for watching, but now go read your 2 pages. See you in the next one!